I'm David Reed, and this is The Engine Room. Hello, and welcome to another Engine Room. We have a very special guest today, Ali Marzban. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
So, Ali, where are you from in the world? Where were you born?
I was born in Iran.
Where are you?
Yeah.
I'm going to act like I don't know things. Just don't worry about it.
Oh.
Where are you?
Yeah, I was.
Where in Iran?
West of Iran. It's a small city. My dad was in the army, so he was moving a lot around. So till I was 7, I think we moved like 4 times or 5 times.
Really?
Yeah. Then when I was 7, we settled.
Iran is gigantic, by the way. I mean, just relative to countries, it's a big country.
It is a big country.
Yeah.
It is bigger than Texas,
Yeah.
but the population is like 90 million right now, so it's like populated.
Yeah.
A lot of people.
Yeah.
But when I was 7, we moved to the south of Iran, which is a bigger city compared like the second or third city of Iran, which is called Shiraz.
Mm-hmm.
And that one is a very relaxed city. Weather-wise, it's very similar to Houston, but not as humid as Houston.
Yeah.
So, but yeah.
7 years old, you moved to the hot south.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
so, how was that growing up there? What was life like?
It was good. It was good. We were just enjoying our days, and it was good. I made a lot of good friends, and we were doing a lot of fun stuff over there, like biking and those kind of things. So, yeah.
What's the terrain like where you grew up? Was it deserty? Was it
No.
hills, mountains?
It is mountains. It is mountains, and it is green. It's like Texas, but not as green as Texas, but very, very similar environment. So that's the reason I'm here.
Yeah, because it makes sense to you.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
So you grow up, you move at 7.
Mm-hmm.
What comes next in your life? When do you leave at some point? Is it university before you leave?
Yes. So we stayed in Shiraz for a while till I was 18, and I finished high school there.
Uh-huh.
And then when I was 18, I wanted to go to the college, and then I moved to Tehran for the university, to the University of Tehran. I got my bachelor there.
Oh, okay.
And when I moved, I think
bachelor in what?
mechanical engineering.
Okay.
And when I moved, my father was retired as well, and it was like, okay, let's move as well. So they moved to the capital as well. So we had family there. My aunt was living there, and my grandparents were living there for a while as well. And then they moved to the capital city of Tehran, and I stayed there for my bachelor.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then what's after that?
After that, a lot of things happened. So I started my master's degree in Iran, in another university.
Different city?
No, same city.
University. Different
university. I started my master in mechanical engineering again.
Yeah. So that's your theme?
Yeah, exactly. In another university called Sharif University of Technology.
Huh.
But in the meanwhile, I was applying abroad. I just wanted to continue and go to the grad school somewhere else.
And you just wanted to try something different?
Exactly. Yeah. So I just like traveling and going to different places.
Yeah.
So I started applying, and I got admission to a couple of universities in U.S. And I was in the middle of my master's degree over there, but I got accepted to a master program in U.S. as well.
And is there continuation between the two systems?
There is continuation, but I didn't want to go through that. It was like you need to, do a lot of translating this course to this one and making it equivalent. So I was like, okay, I'm getting out of the grad school from Iran, and then I will move to U.S. Okay. So I went to Boston.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
And I
very
went
cold,
to very cold.
Yeah.
And I remember I didn't start in September. I started in January. So when I landed in Boston, I was like, wow, this is cold.
Yeah, I need a lot more clothes.
Exactly. So
you have to learn those clothes. Yeah.
Exactly.
What a wild transition.
I know. I went to Northeastern University. I got my master over there. And then I was like, okay, let me continue to get a PhD as well. So I did continue to...
You didn't want to work, obviously.
Yes.
That's funny. That's amazing, the long run of education. So, So all mechanical?
All mechanical engineering.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
it was
you
fun.
came out super smart. And then
I don't
what?
think so, but
Well, that's the theory.
yeah,
You did all that educating. You got all this stuff.
yes.
And so where'd you go from there?
So I was looking for a job. I was about to graduate. I was looking for a job. Then there was this small company, not small, mid-sized company. Maybe they had like 1,000 people or so.
Uh-huh.
It was called CD at APCO. Now it is part of Siemens. Siemens
Okay.
acquired them.
Yeah.
And at the time, they were doing a lot of simulation, which is kind of like my background. So they...
So in the mechanical side, you were deep in simulation already?
Yes, I was.
Okay,
I
so that was a large part of your studies was the modeling kind of world.
Exactly. Doing modeling, design, simulation. That was what I have been doing
Okay.
through my study.
Yeah, yeah.
And then they had a lot of branches, but their headquarters was in New York, which is like 4 hours drive.
Mm-hmm.
So I applied for a position over there,
Yeah.
and I got an interview. I went there, and they said, "Yeah, you're good. We're going to offer you a job, and you can come and work in our headquarters in New York."
Where in New York?
It was Long Island,
Okay.
not New York City, but
Yeah, yeah.
Long Island.
Yeah, yeah.
And they told me, yes, it's good, but we are opening a branch in Texas as well, so we probably will send you there at some point. I was like, yeah, good deal.
Yeah.
So I went back to Boston to wrap up my study and do my paperwork and stuff, and it took me a while. I didn't know it was taking that long. So they kept the position for me, but it
Okay.
took me like 2-3 months or so.
Wow.
And then I called them, okay, everything is done. My dissertation is done. I'm ready to go. When can I start? And they said, you know what? Our branch in Houston is open now. You should go straight to Houston.
Mm.
And I was like, I have never been in Texas. I have no idea.
So what do you imagine at this point when they say Houston? Do you know the name Houston?
I did because NASA was there. I mean,
Okay, so
Houston, we have a
there's some-
problem.
okay, so you
I
got that
had
going.
some idea, but I didn't know about the humidity or the weather,
Yeah.
or is it the desert, or is it like a...
Yeah, and I wonder, coming to the States, you would have not seen many American, you see films, American films, or
We did.
You would had
We
some
were-
references.
Yes.
Okay.
But I didn't know I have never been in Texas before.
Yeah. So Texas was definitely a stretch.
Exactly. So even for my interview, I told you I went to New York, so I didn't have any clue what am I
What's
going to...
happening. And
do
so,
you-
and by this time, are you married?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Yeah, I met
So-
my wife here in Houston.
Okay. So you, single guy, you thought you were going to New York City. Now you're going to Houston. You're not sure what it means, other than there might be some space people there.
Exactly.
What year were you coming down?
It was in 2010.
Okay.
2010,
All right.
about 15 years ago.
Yeah.
So I moved to Houston. I came here. I started my first job there as an engineer.
Yeah.
And I was doing
And
a
what
lot
was the work that they were doing?
of simulation. They were doing consultancy
Okay.
for aerospace and oil and gas.
Okay.
So we were doing consultancy for like GE jet engines. My PhD was about like aerospace.
Okay.
And we were giving consultancy to Pratt & Whitney, but also we were doing it for oil and gas, like Chevron, Exxon,
Uh-huh.
those people as well.
Yeah. Wild.
Yeah.
So when you get here, I mean, you get off the plane and you're like, oh, good temperatures again.
I know.
Is that what you thought?
The funny thing is, I told you, I landed in Boston in January.
Yeah.
I came to Houston in the middle of August.
Nice.
So
Perfect
best timing.
weather.
Yeah.
You're like, I know this feeling.
Exactly.
Everyone else is like, I can't breathe, and you're like, finally.
Yeah, I know.
Did it feel like that? Did
Yeah.
you felt like, oh, this is really relatable?
To be honest, I like this kind of weather better because
Yeah.
I grew up in south of Iran, which is like not as humid as this is, but temperature-wise, it's very close. So, it was a good move for me, and that's the reason I'm still here.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, it's worked out.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so then you start with this company doing different parts of the business, to different industries, and then what happens?
Then I wanted to get more into oil and gas, so
Why?
because I liked it, and everybody here was kind of like oil and gas related,
yeah.
and there was a lot of opportunities there as well. And
were you in the city? You were in Houston or around Houston rather than down towards NASA area? Or
I was in West Chase during the past
Oh,
15 years. All of my
really?
jobs were in West Chase area.
no, we were always there.
Yeah.
You just were driving past us all the time.
I know. My former company, the first one that I joined, is like walking distance from here, for like 5 minutes walking.
really?
So, yeah, I never left this area.
That's crazy. You've been other places though. I mean,
Yes.
You don't just stay in West Chase.
No.
Okay, just checking.
Yeah.
That would be wild.
I
but-
have an apartment just close, but no, I'm
No,
just joking.
okay. I was about to believe you too. All right. So you go from that company to NOV? How did you find NOV?
No, I didn't go to NOV straight.
Yeah.
I went to Aker Solutions.
Oh dear, the enemy,
Yeah.
or sometimes the customer. So
Yeah, and
not the enemy.
they had a branch here just close by, the Pyramid one, just around the
Yeah,
corner.
I know the one. Yeah.
I went there, I stayed there for a while, and then I switched to another company. It was a UK-based consultancy.
Oh, okay.
So I was traveling.
Sorry about that.
No
Deal with
worries.
those tough British people.
Yeah, I know.
No, it would be interesting. I'm sure.
And then I was working there for a while. Then I joined NOV in 2015.
Wow,
Probably.
2015, right at the turn.
Yeah,
Wow.
I know.
Yeah.
I
So
know.
what did you come in to do? What was your first job?
Simulation again.
Okay.
I joined as a senior engineer,
Uh-huh.
but I was doing a lot of finite element analysis, simulation, those kind of things at the time. I joined Carl Ferris' team
Yeah.
in corporate.
At 15, starting to grow as well. At that point, they
Exactly.
had Max going on, and they had other things going on as well.
They just started Max and
Yeah.
Max platform when I
Yeah.
joined. We didn't have any data science or data analytics at the time, so
Yeah.
they started getting data
Adding all
scientists.
that.
And then,
Yeah, that was in Parkwood, right?
yes.
In the other
exactly.
building.
Yes, building number 2
Yeah, building
Yes.
number 2.
with the scary elevator.
Well, they were all scary elevators, but yeah, there's a
Yeah.
lot of scary was happening in Parkwood, but
I know.
it was the unique building. It was a
Yeah.
bargain. Can I
Yeah.
say that? That was a good deal.
Yeah.
It was not the best part of town. But so you get in. That's interesting because that was an exciting growing time.
Mhm.
Even though the business wasn't doing well, the moving into new stuff. So you're in modeling, and then there's a lot of people beside you doing more other types of data science.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we started data science and we hired some data scientists, but I was working closely with them. We
Yeah.
were doing a lot of digital twin and we were doing like the simulation part.
What type of work was it that you were doing?
At the time, mainly we were working simulation on BOPs and
Okay.
threaded connections from Grant Pretco.
Okay. So it was a
Um,
service to the business.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Very fun.
Yeah, it was
A lot
fun.
of different things going on.
Yeah.
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 And so then, so that's, how long has it been? That was 15 years, is that what you said? 10
10 years with NOV now.
10 years, okay.
10 years with NOV now.
Okay, so
Yeah.
10 years. And on that journey, you've been in the same space.
hmm
Tell me a bit about what your role is now.
I'm the director of data science and analytics.
Okay.
So we are doing a lot of. I'm still doing simulation part.
Because you can't stop.
Yes, exactly.
It's your specialty.
Yeah.
And you run that as a service. Explain how that works.
Yes, we are kind of like an internal consultancy. I like to be like an internal consultant. So
Yeah.
I have been doing that before, and I still like it. So we offer this service internally to NOV. So
Yeah.
instead of people going outside and find a third party to do their job for them and pay them a lot of money,
Yeah.
we will do it internally at a very cheap rate and
Okay. So you do
much more.
charge.
Yes, we do charge
Okay.
back. Yes.
But it's a bargain.
Yes, like
Yeah.
1/3 or 1/4 of the price that they are.
So are you putting
Paying.
your original company out of business? Is
Yeah.
that what you're doing?
Exactly. You noticed,
You're
huh?
trying. I don't know what they did to you. But yeah, so that runs as a service. And so what are the range of services that you guys do?
A lot. We are offering finite element analysis, which is a structural work that we are performing for different new designs. Majority of them is R&D.
Yeah.
We do CFD, computational fluid dynamic, which is fluid analysis of different components. And we do condition-based maintenance, which is data science or
Yeah.
engineering AI. And most recently, during the past 2-3 years, everybody is talking about Gen AI and Chat GPT related LLMs. We are offering that service as well. We have a lot of different successful projects. Also, we have smaller projects as well, like additive manufacturing, geothermal, you name it, we do it.
Anything in the space.
Exactly.
So what is your favorite thing going on right now? Is there a couple of projects or interesting technologies you're working on that you think is cool?
One of them is called Ask David. You may have heard of it.
So I was not leading to that. But sure, tell them about Ask David.
That one is a good project. That I like it.
Yeah.
So the idea is if you go and ask something from ChatGPT, it will answer you based on the publicly available information that is out there on
so
websites.
It's scouring everything that's possible to access.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now, let's say we have a lot of IP protected stuff within NOE. ChatGPT doesn't have access to it. If you ask a question, it cannot answer anything related to the IP, and it better not.
Right. We shouldn't have that out there.
Exactly.
Yeah. So detailed technical questions about what? Anything? I mean, what is the data in?
Anything that we feed it.
Okay.
So we selectively feed information that we need. It can be thousands of documents, and we only give access to certain people as well. So it is called like agentic. So certain people have access to certain agents, and they can ask questions about it. And nobody can memorize all of this information.
Sure, but we did have people in the company who were always the go-to, knew everything, all the old stuff. And you're saying we can load all that into an engine to be able to ask any question of historic information. But that's a lot.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
All the acquisitions we've done, all the engineering documents. That's got to... I mean, in my head, I'm imagining faxing, like when you put a document through, like putting data in.
Yeah, I know.
So I'm just saying, is there someone just sitting there loading in digital fax type? Here's your data. Here's all your stuff.
I know.
How long does that? Is it long, or is it quick, or have we got the computing power to do that quickly, or is it actually?
It is pretty quick.
Yeah.
The main time-consuming part is indexing, which means reading this information, making sense out of it, and then outside of that, it will be like relatively fast. If you ask a question, it will give you an answer within a second or so.
So you do have to make sense of some of that.
Yes.
Or check the work of the brain as it's saying, I think this relates to this, and it doesn't.
Exactly.
So cleaning that up is part of the work.
We are not doing it per se. We ask an AI to judge the AI.
Great idea.
Yeah.
Don't do any work. Have the AI do all the work.
Exactly.
That saves us a lot of money and makes it possible. So that's actually allowing us to have one engine check the other.
Exactly.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
But fun. You're right.
Yeah.
That's a lot. That's a lot of data. So it's out there and functioning?
Yes, a lot of people are using it in NOV right now. It is functional.
Is there particular businesses who've said I'm loading my stuff in, or is it everywhere, or what have we got so far? If someone's in a particular business, what ones have already got access?
It is already out. Some of the business units are already using it, and more business units are reaching out to us to get access to it, but it is out there.
Yeah, so we're constantly adding to it.
Exactly.
So it's becoming more valuable every day.
Exactly. And reaching it.
Any feedback on people using it?
Yes, people like it, and it is almost cost nothing to us. I mean, IT is paying for some of it. Yeah.
Some storage you're going to pay.
Yeah.
Yeah. What else? Anything else exciting and fun?
Yes, we are having some simulation projects. We just finished, not finished, we are still writing the reports and the stuff. A 20K BOP simulation that we did.
And that's modeling for pressure?
Yes.
Okay.
It's high pressure, high temperature, and we are doing it for Texas Oil Tool. It's almost finished, so we are going through third-party reviews and stuff, and it is fun.
So if anybody's like, okay, I didn't know we did this, do they call you? I mean, do they email you?
Yes.
You're the main, like, you can direct them, and basically you'll say, okay, what's the work? Here's what that will cost you. Pay now or you get no help.
Yeah, exactly. You just pay us. We're corporate.
But it's an internal financial transfer.
Yes.
But yeah, so there's it's worth asking. So I guess that's the question. If there's something in this area where you thought, I wonder if we can do this, then to give you a call.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Usually, majority of the time we can handle it. But even if we are not able to handle it, either it's out of our expertise or we don't have time or something, we know other third parties companies, so we can direct them as well.
So,
Okay,
yeah,
if you want to do this,
Here's
you
how
can
to
reach
do
out.
it. So you can work as a consultant I can get the work done, or I can get you to someone who can get the work done.
Exactly. Yeah.
Very cool. It's a great service that you guys provide. So I'm glad we had a chance. You're going to be sorry because now everyone knows, and you're going to get a lot more calls.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
Hopefully. That's okay. Yeah.
We're okay with that. So that's great. Well, appreciate you coming on and everyone getting to know you a bit better. And thanks for coming.
Thank you.
All right. We'll hopefully have you back soon.
Sure.
All right. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.